Can a coding novice become someone companies actually want to hire? Let's find out together.
Keep your eyes on the prize.
Day 4. I'm not currently able to do a full edit of all that was covered, but I'll still give the breakdown and do an extended version later. Here's what I studied, what clicked, what's still hard, and one takeaway. Today in my SQL bootcamp, I studied aggregate functions, namely average, count, max, min, and sum, as well as group by and having. In my Python bootcamp, I went over randomization and lists, in particular, how to work with modules like random and even create my own modules. Documentation is your best friend. I ended by utilizing this information to create my own Kawi Pawi Po game, which stands for scissors, paper, rock, or rock, paper, scissors in Korean.
Very nice.
I'll go over the full breakdown about what clicked, what was hard, and one takeaway in an extended version of this video. Until then, happy coding.